When are anti-lock brakes, ABS, most effective? When you brake promptly and firmly until you've stopped. What will help when you're trying to move off on snow? Use a higher gear than normal. You're about to go down a steep hill. What should you do to control the speed of your vehicle? Select a low gear and use the brakes carefully. When will anti-lock brakes take effect? When the wheels are about to lock. What does driving a vehicle with anti-lock brakes allow you to do? Steer and brake harshly at the same time. In which conditions will your overall stopping distance increase? In the rain. You're driving on an open road in dry weather. What should the distance be between you and the vehicle in front? A 2-second time gap.
What is the shortest overall stopping distance on a dry road at 60 mph? 73 meters or 240 feet.
What can result when you travel for long distances in neutral, known as coasting? Reduction in control.
You are driving on an icy road. How can you avoid wheel spin? Drive at a slow speed in as high a gear as possible. You are driving along a wet road. How can you tell if your vehicle's tyres are losing their grip on the surface? The steering will feel very light. What should you do when parking your vehicle facing downhill? Turn the steering wheel towards the curb. You are following other vehicles in fog. You have your lights on. What else can you do to reduce the chances of being in a collision? Reduce your speed and increase the gap in front.
In heavy motorway traffic, the vehicle behind you is following too closely. How can you lower the risk of a collision? Increase your distance from the vehicle in front.
You are travelling at 50 miles an hour on a good dry road. What is your typical overall stopping distance? 53 meters, that's 175 feet. What should you do when driving in fog? Allow more time for your journey. When approaching a right-hand bend, you should keep well to the left. Why is this? To improve your view of the road.
What should you clear of ice and snow before starting a journey in freezing weather? The windows. By how much can stopping distances increase in icy conditions? 10 times.
You are following a vehicle at a safe distance on a wet road. Another driver overtakes you and pulls into the gap you have left. What should you do? Drop back to regain a safe distance.